In this video you have to see about the subject design of transmission system, unit number 1. In this unit number 1 we have to see about the flexible transmission systems. The main objectives of this subject is to gain knowledge on the principles and procedures for the design of mechanical power transmission. The students can able to understand the standard procedures for design of transmission elements, also to use standard data and the catalogs. Normally we have using PhD data book for designing the mechanical components. The outcome of this subject is the student can able to successfully design transmission components used in engines and machines. Unit number 1, introductions about this unit. Transmit power from the flexible elements such as belt, chains and ropes are frequently used. These are mounted over the pulleys on a shaft, and continuous belts or ropes is passed over them. In the belt and ropes, power is transmitted due to friction between them. Belt drive. The loop of flexible materials called as belt through pulley mounted on the shaft. The distance between the shaft in large than belts or ropes chains are used. It can take care of some degree of misalignments between the driven and the driver machine shafts. Design. How to design a flat belt drive? First of all, we have to choose the material of the belt. Either maybe a leather, rubber, plastic or fabric. Then number of play and thickness, maximum belt stress, then density of the belt material, then coefficient of friction of a belt material. There are several types of belts are there. In this unit we have to see about the flat belt and a V belt, then ribbed belt, tooth or timing belts. Flat belts cross sections are shown in figure. This one is the V belt. Then we have to see about the types of flat belt drives. First one is the open belt drive, which have the parallel and rotating in same directions. The shafts are arranged in parallel and rotating in same direction as shown in figure. The C is the center between the two pulleys, and DL is the diameter of the larger pulley, DS is the diameter of the smaller pulley. This figure shows the open belt drive. This figure shows the open belt drive with one ideal pulley. When open belt drives can use due to small angles of contact on the smaller pulley. Ideal pulley, also known as jockey pulley, it is used to obtain high velocity ratios and record belt tensions. The same, this one is the open belt drive with a mini ideal pulley used when you decide to transmit motion from one shaft to several parallel shafts. Cross or twist belt. This type of shafts are arranged in parallel and rotating in opposite directions. This is the cross section for the belt drives, quarter twist drive. Quarter twist or quarter turn drives used with a shaft arrangement, right angles and the rotations in one definite directions only. Step or cone pulley drive used to change the speed of the driven shaft while the main or driving shafts runs at constant speed. A is the one type of pulley, B is one type of pulley, C is one type of pulley, and D is the one type of pulley. We have achieved different speeds by the step or cone pulley drives. Compound drive used to several units are to be driven from one central shaft. The central shaft give input to the several shafts. What are the considerations for selection of belt drives are? It depends upon power to be transmitted, speed of the driver and the driven shaft relationship, service conditions, speed reduction ratios, center distance, space availability. These are all the some factors for selecting a flat belt drive. Belt materials. The desirable properties of belt materials are high coefficient of friction, flexibility, durability, and strength.